Hello friends, welcome to Rasa Taste. Today I am going to show you how to cook regular rice in a pressure cooker along with dal, both together in one cooker. This is the dal. This will be useful for South Indian cooking. Today I have taken 1 small cup of rice. This is steamed rice. If you are using raw rice also, use the same method. Once the rice is cooked, the quantity will increase almost 3 times. So make sure to take a bigger vessel while cooking the rice and make sure that it fits inside the cooker. Now I am going to wash the rice. Wash the rice at least for 3 times. While washing, you need to rub between your fingers so that the dirt will come out. You can see the color of the water changing. If you can't directly drain the water over the sink, you can just pass it through the strainer like this. The clean washed rice is ready. Let's see how to cook in the pressure cooker. This is the vessel I have taken. Now I am adding the cleaned rice in the container. The quantity of water required to cook the rice depends on the quality of the rice. It varies according to the type of the rice used. Once you cook for 2-3 times, you will come to know the exact quantity of water required for the type of rice you are using. So initially add 3 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Use the same cup that you used to measure the rice. I have taken 1 cup of rice. So I am going to add 3 cups of water. The water level is till here, so the rice once it cooked will be, the quantity you will get is till the quantity of the water you will get the cooked rice. So accordingly you can decide the size of the container to be used. Now I am going to cook dal also, which I am going to use for sambar, or if you want to use to make dal fry or anything, you can just take the required dal and keep it over the rice in the same pressure cooker. It will save you the time. I have taken a small cup of tur dal. I am going to wash it 2 to 3 times. I am going to add 3 cups of water using the same cup that I used to measure the dal. 2.5 will be sufficient. I am going to add turmeric powder. Don't add salt. It might not get cooked, so we can add the salt later in the dish. Now take your cooker and keep it on the stove. We need to add water at the bottom of the cooker. The level of the water should be around 1 inch in height till the raised portion starts. If you want, you can put the plate which comes along with the cooker at the bottom, or without the plate also you can use the cooker. I'm just adding the plate at the bottom. So I have added the plate. I am going to add little more water so that the plate also gets covered with water. Now switch on the stove. I am going to keep the rice at the bottom. Keep the rice at the bottom with the lid. Now I am going to keep the dal. Also, another important thing which you should remember is, before choosing these 2 vessels, check whether both will fit in the cooker which you are using and you are able to close the lid properly. I am going to close the cooker, and this is a rubber gasket that will go inside the lid of the cooker. You have to place it inside. Now we will close the cooker. Keep it on medium high and let the steam start to come out. Then you can put the weight on. Steam has started to come out. This is the weight. Use the same weight that is given along with the cooker you are using. Now I am going to put the weight and will allow for 4 whistles. I have switched off the stove. Don't try to open immediately. Don't try to remove the weight also. It should completely settle down. The pressure should go down. Let me show you once how it will be if you try to remove. You can see the pressure is still there. So don't open now. Don't remove it. Now after some time the pressure has come down completely. We can open the cooker. Now you can see the dal is cooked well. I have allowed 5 whistles because the whistles were coming quickly. The gap was less. So you can decide the number of whistles according to your pressure cooker. You can check the rice. Sometimes you will find water on the plate. Just lift it and pour the water outside. You can see the rice is also cooked perfectly, and I have used the regular Sona Masuri steamed rice today. Even for raw rice you can follow the same procedure. Now let's check. You can see it is completely cooked and there is no water under the, at the bottom of the vessel also no water is there, and it is perfect. Now you can see the rice is perfectly done and it is ready to be served. If you are going to make lemon rice or any other mixed rice, you can just cool the rice and then start preparing. Now the rice is also ready and dal is also ready. You can use this dal to make rasam, sambar. This is tur dal. You can even use moong dal on the top of the rice, and you can make a dal fry by just tempering it with ghee, mustard seeds, jeera seeds, 1 tomato and onion, and you can use it as dal fry and you can have it along with the rice. This tur dal I have kept for making sambar today. Hope you enjoy watching the video. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Rasa Taste. Thank you.